We have Erewhon at home. What do we want for our first breakfast? You just want to eat. Got it. Yep, everybody gets some cereal. This is the breakfast before the breakfast. This is the breakfast that allows me to make the breakfast. You have Fruit Loops. You don't need to eat his. Yes. We are very much so becoming a cookie cutter household. Bless you, honey. I literally just bought these and they're moldy. These are moldy too. I am going to request a refund. We're not having berries. We're gonna have something on the side. I just don't know what. Yes. Is that good? Fresh bag of snacks. A treat for after swim. Regular wipes and then some hand wipes. I love these. Every time I leave the house, I always take multiple different kinds of water bottles because we never know what bottle we're gonna want. Everybody's dressed, we're all packed up. They're literally waiting at the door. I just got that all over the floor. My morning smoothie, I think, is just the best. Okay, call me biased, but I think it's just the best. Some plain Greek yogurt, some frozen strawberries, frozen blueberries, specifically wild blueberries. They're smaller, and I just think they taste better than regular blueberries. Some good old creamy peanut butter. Oh, you can have whatever liquid you want. I just have water. Not much though, because I like it thick. I don't have a disposable cup big enough, but that's okay. It just means I get 2 Silly Goose smoothies. I'm a texture girl, so I like to add in some chocolate sprinkles. I'll do half a teaspoon at the bottom of this one, half a teaspoon at the bottom of that one. See that? It's thick. Oh! I hope you don't see Santa. I am doing makeup, yeah. We're actually an hour and a half early for swim because what I've been doing is if we get there early, then we have time to go over to the beach and do a little beach walk before swim lessons. And obviously, we gotta stop and get some coffee on the way down. Okay, let's go. So we ended up making it to swim just in time. Stunning day. I don't know where Grayson went. Oh, it looks like my mom got some new chips. Oh. Everybody knows the best flavor is surprisingly these. Do you want yogurt? Yummy. Swim lessons are done. Let's go for a walk at the beach. I think the school is back in session, which is fine with me because it's totally working by the beach. So we actually do swimming lessons at my parents' house. My parents are so sweet and they set up swimming lessons for all of their grandkids. And we were just talking to the swim coach and she said she's actually available next week. So next week will be our last swim lesson of the year. I just need everyone to know that on the drive home from swim, both kids took a little nap, and that's fine. And we stopped at Chick-fil-A. The line was super long. While we're in the line at Chick-fil-A, not only are the kids napping, Taylor Swift gets engaged. Like, what? Also, I just need to tell y'all that I just got the best mac and cheese I've ever gotten in my life from Chick-fil-A. I don't know. And I also put on some of the hot sauce, the Texas Pete hot sauce on it. Phenomenal. All right, I gotta run. I will talk to you guys later. Bye. So, like, do I have the third baby, or...